Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm here at the local Smith's marketplace. So let me show you what I got here today. It's gonna be a short video. I'm actually inside my car. I was thinking to make a video inside the store, but the music was so loud and there was a lot of people, so I decided to bring it to my car. So let me show you what I got here today for my collection. So I was able to find Honda Civic, the hatchback. I like it, so I'll be putting this on my display. So I got that one. Let's see what else we got. I got the Volkswagen Beetle off-road. It's pretty cool. Gold wheels. It's nice. There's the front, the back. Yep. And let's see what else we got here. I got this one. This one is a Matchbox also. It's a Mitsubishi Eclipse 1994 3000 GT, yellow. It's a sweet ride. So there we go. And I was able to find also Matchbox. It's a Volkswagen Beetle 4x4. And let's see, what does it say on it? It's the rescue team for off-roading. It's nice. I think this is new casting, right? I'm pretty sure. I never seen it before. So that one. And also 2019 Volkswagen Beetle convertible, all yellow. It's pretty sweet. I like it. And this is brand new. So here we go. It's a 5-pack. So at the top we have 2010 Toyota Tundra, Dune Soar, 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, the red one. After that one, the kind of gold brown, it's a custom Ford Bronco. And right at the bottom, it's a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. So pretty sweet. So I'll be probably keeping the Tundra, maybe a Ram, Rebel, and Tacoma. The other two I will be giving to kids to play with it. All right. So there you go, guys. This is my find for today. Let me know which one you guys like, which one is your favorite, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Take care, everybody. Till next time. Peace out. Go Hot Wheels.